Hi, this is Mitch. I'm going to show you how to do some things with Wirecast. First thing you want to do, of course, install it. And if you don't have the newest version, you want to update it to 4.01. Make sure you have the updated desktop presenter with that. Okay, first of all, you want to make sure your layout is like how I have mine. You want to make sure all these checks are in there. Alright. Now, Wirecast is a program that lets you stream your webcam to different websites from the internet. Ustream, Justin TV, and others. And you can also record to your hard drive when you're locally on your computer. And if you understand how layers works, like in Photoshop, you'll understand you won't have no trouble getting familiar with Wirecast. And if you look on here on the left hand side, I have you got your master layers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now these were called layers, I believe layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, 4, and 5 when you first install it. But I changed, you can rename it to help you familiarize with what you want to do. It's really customizable to the way you want it. Like here on my upper thirds, I use that. If I'm doing a video shot, I want the title to be on the top. And as I was saying, these are layers. So the top layer is going to have preference over the next layer behind it, and so forth down the line. So let me show you what my top layer looks like. And on this left-hand side is a preview window. And if you want to go live, you can set up to go automatic, but I like to be in control of it. So click that and go live. And if you're ready to record, which I'll show you on another video, I'm going to try to break these up in videos. If you want to go live, you click that, and then when you start streaming, that will show up. Or if you want to record your disk. And same thing with my lower third, which I have these different, make sure that's highlighted, checked and highlighted. I have these different thirds already made up, lower thirds. So if you click on that, and that shows up, and well, where's my videos? Here are my videos. Okay, and you can do double shots. I'll show you how to do that. See, I have two cameras hooked up to here right now. But you want to make sure so it shows your hardware devices, which are going to be your webcams and your sound devices. So you would click on here, and just I have a bunch of different devices, so that's why yours may not look like that much. But I could be hooking up anywhere between four or five different webcams at a time, and this will use FireWire. I have FireWire camera too. So whatever you're using, like here, I already have that. You add that in there, or what other shot or type of camera you have. And you're going to do that the same. You're going to do the same with your sound. I have my sound on the bottom layer because that's not really the overlay. That's just going to show, or it's a device so you can hear something. You know, to keep that checked, and when that's working right, you will see the meter go on test. Hit go, and you'll see that. Now there's an echo. I got to turn it off. Yeah, when you first turn it, Wirecast on, and if it automatically detects your sound card, you want to mute that bottom, the headset right there. But I'm not streaming. I don't need to have these on. I'm going to turn that off. So, okay, you understand that. And then I have background here. You make different backgrounds. Of course, you're not going to see it here. You're not going to see this, even though I'm updating it by clicking on it, because these upper thirds in the video has preference over it. Now, if I take my video out of the equation and click on go, there it is. I only have two backgrounds, but I also made this little thing here. So when I'm not online, I could share that if I want. And clicking on live video again, and you can make different shot. You can put as many shots as you want. You see how that looks, because I have that. The video is over top of this background, so that's going to show over top of these. And then I'll show you now. I can click back on my wallpaper, click on go. See how the video is on top of that, because it has preference, because it's the top layer. It's over top. The video is over top of the background. You understand that. And the same thing with this. The upper third, the lower third is on top of the video. That's why it shows on top of the video. Of course, I have these small, but I can show you here. I'll make another example. Same thing here. See these, the upper third, which is the top, they're going to be my top third. And you have this choice how you want to set it up. Very customizable. So if you understand that, I'll go on to part 2. So this is just installing Wirecast, what it is. Try to get yourself familiarized with how layers works, and having to detect, your hardware devices, which is going to be, of course, your webcam and your sound. And I'll continue with part 2 of this series and how to get started with Wirecast. Thanks, guys.